dismal music. What do you do when the rhythm or beat are tricky to you? Sometimes it helps you to change the value into half or into double. When my student wanted to try Elise, I found a sheet music which was written with quarter note. So reading the music with quarter note really helps them, rather than looking at the 16th note on the original sheet music. I'm hoping you understand what I'm talking about when you see this video, and this video helps you. Thank you. This is the sheet music of example. You see only eighth note and a quarter note. So you feel comfortable with this, right? Here is the next page.